The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2025, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone with advanced computational photography capabilities, while the Nikon D3500 is a 2018 entry-level DSLR camera that's still popular in 2025 for its affordability and straightforward design. This comparison focuses on key photography and videography aspects, drawing from official specifications and reviews. I'll break it down by category using a table for quick specs overview, followed by detailed analysis at the end. I'll recommend the best choice based on typical use cases. 1. Sensor and image quality. This Nikon D3500's 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, crop factor 1.5x, delivers excellent dynamic range and low noise performance, especially in RAW files, thanks to its larger physical size compared to smartphone sensors. It lacks an optical low-pass filter for sharper details but can struggle with rolling shutter in live view. ISO performance peaks around 6400 before noise becomes noticeable, making it solid for low-light landscapes or portraits. In contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro's triple 48 Mbps sensors use pixel binning for 44 megapixel outputs by default, leveraging computational photography, photonic engine, deep fusion, smart HDR5 to punch above their 1:128 size. This results in vibrant, HDR-optimized JPEGs with superior color science for social media, but RAW, ProRAW files reveal limitations in dynamic range versus the D3500's larger sensor. Night mode excels in urban scenes, often outperforming the Nikon in auto low light due to AI stacking. Winner: Nikon D3500 for pure image fidelity and controlled settings. iPhone for effortless processed results. 2. Lens and optics. The D500 shines with interchangeable Nikon f-mount lenses, starting with the affordable 18-55mm VR kit lens, equivalent to 27 to 82mm on full frame. This offers true optical versatility. Add a 50mm prime for portraits or a 70 to 300mm telephoto for wildlife, without digital cropping losses. Aperture control is manual, with the kit lens maxing at f3.5 wide open, limiting bokeh compared to faster primes. The iPhone 17 Pro's fixed system mimics 8 lenses via cropping, a 24mm main, 13mm ultra-wide, 120-degree FOV for landscapes, and tetraprism 5x telephoto, 100mm equiverse, plus 2 to 8x from sensor crops. All lenses have bright apertures, f1.78, f2.8, and sapphire covers for durability. Macro mode hits 2 cm focus, and photographic styles allow real-time edits. However, you're locked into Apple's ecosystem. No swapping for a 200 ultra-wide. Winner: Nikon D3500 for expandability and optical purity. iPhone for all-in-one convenience. 3. Autofocus and shooting performance. The D3500's 11-point AF is reliable for static subjects through the optical viewfinder but lags in live view. Contrast only, AR1 to 2's lock. Burst is capped at 5 FPS with a small buffer. R100 JPEGs, suitable for beginners but not at action sports. The iPhone's phase detection AF covers the full frame, with DAR for instant low-light focus and subject tracking. People, pets, vehicles. It handles 10 FPS bursts seamlessly, with zero blackout on the always-on display. Real-time previews, e.g. no portrait mode effects, make it intuitive for candids. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro, faster, smarter, and more consistent across scenarios. For 4. Video capabilities. Video is where the iPhone dominates. It records 4K Dolby Vision at up to 120 FPS, slow-mo, with pro features like cinematic mode, rack focus, and log gamma for grading. Stabilization is buttery smooth via sensor shift and EIS, ideal for vlogging or run and gun. The D3500 tops out at 1080p 60 FPS with basic exposure controls. No K, log, or advanced stabilization beyond the kit lens's VR. It's fine for casual clips, but feels dated for 2025 content creation. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro by a landslide. 5. Portability and build. At 1 and pocket-sized, the iPhone 17 Pro, titanium unibody, IP68 water resistance, is the ultimate travel companion. Shoot, edit, and share instantly via iOS. It's rugged for daily use, but lacks weather sealing for extreme conditions. The D3500's plastic body, 365 Triap Air, is lightweight for a DSLR, but bulkier with the lens attached, 415 GG total. It's durable for hobbyists, but requires a bag for lenses/batteries, and there's no weather sealing. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for on-the-go shooting. 6. Battery life. The phone's integrated battery lasts 33 hours of video playback or a full day of heavy photo or video use with fast charge in 20 minutes, 40 bars. Wireless MagSafe adds convenience. The D3500's EN-EL14A yields 115-50 shots per charge, CIPA, outlasting the iPhone in pure stills but requiring swaps for all-day video. No fast charging. Winner: Nikon D3500 for extended photo sessions. iPhone for mixed smartphone duties. 7. Display and viewing. The iPhone's 6.3, 120Hz OLED is a joy for composing and reviewing. Vibrant HDR, touch controls, and dynamic island for notifications. Always on keeps EXIF data visible. The D3500's 3 fixed LCD, 921K dots, is basic. No touch, tilts poorly, and washes out in sunlight. Optical viewfinder is a plus for precise framing. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro. 8. Features and software. Both offer RAW, ProRAW versus NEF, but the iPhone adds AI magic, spatial photos for Vision Pro, burst geotagging, and seamless editing in Photos app. iOS integration, e.g. AirDrop, is unmatched. The D3500 has guide mode for beginners, snap bridge for wireless transfer, and picture controls, but no computational aids. Editing requires a computer. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for modern workflow. 9. Price and value. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099 for 256 GB, a premium for its all-in-one prowess. The DIVT kit is a steal at Power 400 500s in 2005, often used, with lenses adding $100, $500 each. Winner: the Nikon D3500 for budget-conscious photographers. Which one is the best choice? It depends on your needs, but the iPhone 17 Pro is the better overall choice for 90% of users in 2025. Its computational photography, video prowess, portability, and ecosystem make it a good enough camera that doubles as a phone. Perfect for travel, social media, vlogging, or casual enthusiasts who value convenience over perfection. The larger sensor and lens flexibility of the D3500 make it superior for dedicated stills photography, e.g., landscapes, portraits, on a budget, especially if you're learning manual controls or building a lens collection. If photography is your hobby, not job, and you already own a smartphone, go Nikon. Otherwise, the iPhone's versatility wins. For pros, neither, consider a mirrorless like the Sony A7 series.